Welcome back to Your Carolina. We're here at Stewart Law Offices in Spartanburg. I'm here with Brent Stewart. We're talking about the 100 deadliest days of summer, that span of time between Memorial Day and Labor Day where those accidents start to spike. It is very important. We wanted to talk to you about some of the things people need to be paying attention to out there on the road to stay safe, because a lot of your cases, I'm sure, come with these accidents that happen.
Well, I think what happens is the weather breaks, everybody's on vacation, everybody's celebrating, and they're just happy to be out. And so people start thinking more about where they're going and who they're going with than what they're actually doing. So I think people's minds are off driving safely, and that is never a good way to start driving.
Right, and I'm sure a lot of the cases you hear are, ramifications of some of those things. So what advice would you give to folks as we're gearing towards Memorial Day and that span between Labor Day, where people are just wanting to hang on to that summer vibe and be with their friends, be on their motorcycle, be on their boats? What advice would you give them?
Well, I would first of all remind people that other people are on the road trying to have a good time. So I think you need to be more aware of people that may have been having a few drinks on the road. So I would be very cautious about other drivers. Part of driving safe isn't just what you're doing, but it's being aware of all your circumstances around you. So if you see a driver that seems to be driving slow or a little bit erratically, get away from them, all right? Do not let road rage come into effect. People will see somebody driving funny and they get mad and start harassing the driver. What I do is I just get away from the situation. Removing yourself away from a problem area is always the best move, and people don't always do it, but I think it's always the best move.
Because sometimes you're adding gas to an already outrageous fire.
Exactly, and you don't want to do that. There's enough going on. People are on the road, particularly if you're in an area by a lake or a beach or like by Carowinds or somewhere like that. There's people everywhere. Stay aware of your circumstances. Don't put too many people in your car. I see this with kids a lot.
Yeah.
Everyone's trying to get to one place and they'll have 7 kids in a car. That's not safe. There's too much going on all around. Keep your eyes on the road. Make sure the passengers in your car, while they're trying to have fun, make sure that they are not doing something that interferes with your ability to watch the roadway.
And of course, we're lucky to be surrounded by so many great lakes, Kiowee, Hartwell, Jocassee, all of those, and people want to be out there as well. But another important point is to make sure that your insurance coverage is up to date and that you're all secure as you're heading out to enjoy these places.
Exactly. And when you're around a lake, remember a lot of these cars are pulling a boat. So people are changing lanes and you want to be very aware. Like, it's very easy to see the car go by and try to switch lanes. When you're around a lake area, always look, because 2 out of 10 or so cars are pulling a boat behind there, so you just can't instantly get over. You need to be extra cautious.
Yeah, make sure you're taking advantage of all those safety precautions. And of course, if you do need some legal help, be sure to call Stewart Law Offices here in Spartanburg, located right here off of South Pine Street. Brent, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.